Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Two Wheel Troubadour. Today we're going to go on our first adventure around Tampa, Florida here. We're going to try to find a Hindu temple. I saw a picture of it on the internet and I thought it looked really cool. And it's not too far away, so I thought, hey, that'd be a great place to let's go explore and see what it looks like. So we're gonna make our way out to the highway here, and I don't know much about the Hindu temple. Actually, I don't know anything about it other than it's a Hindu temple. So can't wait to see it though. It looked cool in the pictures. I also changed my I changed the position of my GoPro from the side of my helmet to the front. So hopefully I get a better viewing area. I also changed my microphone too, so that hopefully it would eliminate the pops and crackles I was getting with the stereo microphone I was using. So here we are on a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Tampa, Florida, on my Thruxton R, off to find a Hindu temple. You know, there's always some cool places around wherever you live. Obscure, out of the way, hidden little gems, you know, that are right under your nose, right? Cool to go exploring and find these places and learn a little bit more about what's right there in front of you. Some of your own culture right there in your neighborhood. Let's see if we can make this light here. I'm gonna run this yellow. Okay, I hope I can find this place. I need to get one of those phone mounts so I can have my GPS here. I tried to memorize a little bit, but my memory's so bad. I might have to explore around the neighborhood a little bit. Yeah, so I got this new helmet just so I could, you know, do some experiments on the... Hi, doggy. Ruff, ruff, ruff. The doggy is barking at me. He does not like me. I'm a nice guy, doggy. I trust me. Ruff. Alright. So I picked up kind of a inexpensive helmet. So I could play around with, you know, mounting my GoPro on it and not worry about things sticking on it. I didn't really want to do that to my expensive Shoei. And, you know, it's an okay helmet. It's the first time I've gotten this. This is an LS2. I don't know too much about them, other than this one was pretty cheap. It's got a built-in visor, which is pretty cool. Although it doesn't come down low enough for me. Although maybe it's just, it's a matter of getting used to it. Well, the dog is having a little issue there. Okay. Yeah, we should be getting closer here. But one thing I've noticed about this helmet is it's very noisy. This is a loud helmet. Okay, now I think the Hindu temple is on this road. Is it? It should be pretty obvious once I come up to it. It's gonna suck if I can't find it. I'll have to stop and look. I don't see any Hindu temple there. You know what? I'll go across the street here. See if it's down here. Speed bump. Barely visible. Oh, look at that. Wow, that's really cool. Now these speed bumps, you can't even see them until you're right up on them. Vishnu Mandir. Let's go down here and turn around. There it is. The Hindu temple. Wow, how beautiful is that, huh? It's like we're right in Old Delhi. Very cool. Elephants carved on there. Well, that was pretty cool. I don't want to stop, you know, I don't want questions. I don't want to, you know, like, what are you looking at, dude? But there we are. The Hindu temple. In Tampa, Florida. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. There's the north part of Tampa Bay. You can see St. Pete in the distance. Pretty clear today. There's Tampa Bay and the city of Tampa. Beautiful day. Very lucky to live here where I do. Year-round motorcycle riding, boating. I love it. Well, that'll do it for today's episode of the Two Wheel Troubadour. I hope you like this little cruise along out to the Hindu temple and out across the Courtney Campbell Causeway to see the beautiful Tampa Bay. So stick around, come back and check out the next adventure. We'll try to find some obscure hidden little gem around the area to visit and explore. So okay, if you like it, hit the like button and keep coming back. If you want, hit that subscribe button, and have a good day. See you guys.